Each pointer open, raising cheeks to cheeks, looking for the lead cuts delight. Moving up now inside the fountainhead, Haring Benedict now on the outside, sharp looking grip and followed by Real Bauer. While Amor Mio is running in a tail of the field. Another straight day travel cuts delight, cheeks to cheeks, the fountainhead now on the outside. Challenge back, sharp look, Haring Benedict. Here comes spin grip, Real Value insider. Challenge back, time of my life, and Amor Mio. And past the half mile, the Fountainhead takes up the running, leads by some two overcuts. Delight, sharp look, moving up now to take third, cheeks to cheeks, Haring Benedict, firm grip, and Real Value. And inside the last 600 is still the Fountainhead by some 3 lengths, followed by sharp look, firm grip, Real Value, Haring Benedict, cuts the right, cheeks to cheeks, time of my life, Amor Mio. As they swing for home, the Fountainhead still in front by some 3 lengths, sharp look. And on the outside now is firm grip, Real Value, but still the Fountainhead by some 3 lengths, sharp look, firm grip. Now the outside, sharp look, and the Fountainhead, and finally sharp look. The Fountainhead, pin grip, Real Value, time of my life, cheeks to cheeks.
Alright, eksakto lang. Number 9, Sharp Look, crossing the wire first, ridden by Lester Abdesus, then masisigundo nga, Diado. Ando dun eh, The Fountainhead, then tercering Firm Grip, Real Value,